When creating data sources, using column types may be beneficial and sometimes required for features and functions to operate properly. Click the drop-down below the column header to view the options. Short text is set by default and is best suited in most cases. Number is necessary if any of the data in the column will be used in calculations. Date and time should be used for dates and required if calculations are performed in your forms. Specific formats are required under this type. Please refer to the knowledge base for details. Image type enables the storage of media files that can be used in forms to display as full images. Icon type media may be used as thumbnails for lists and choices fields. Long text is used to maintain formatting such as paragraph breaks and bulleted lists. GPS coordinates enables storing location data that may be used in mapping screens and GPS functions. Email address enables use for functions and other features throughout the platform. URLs may be used in actions that launch links using a specified browser and other features throughout the platform.